Benni McCarthy questions Hugo Broos' leadership of Bafana Bafana and said, I don't know if he's the right manager. South African football legend Benni McCarthy has raised concerns about the leadership of Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos, questioning whether the veteran Belgian tactician is the right fit for the national team. Broos, at 72, has been at the helm of South African squad since 2021, delivering notable results, including a bronze medal at the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations. However, McCarthy, a former striker for Orlando Pirates and the all-time top scorer for Bafana Bafana, believes that despite recent progress, the team may need a different manager to fully unlock its potential. Speaking on the Whistle podcast, McCarthy shared his mixed feelings about Broos' tenure and said it's a good generation of players with many young talents breaking through. Bafana Bafana had a great opportunity at AFCON 2023 and they made it to the semi-finals. But there are still some gaps in the squad. Over the years, Bafana Bafana have underperformed, failing to qualify for the World Cups and falling short in major tournaments. So reaching the semi-final is definitely a step in the right direction. Yet McCarthy tempered his praise with the skepticism and said, I don't know if they have the right manager, and if not, I hope whoever comes next can take this group of players to the next level. McCarthy's comments come despite Hugo's strong track record since appointment. Under Hugo's guidance, Bafana Bafana have played 37 matches, winning 19, drawing 12 and losing just 6. These results have restored some pride to South African football after years of frustration, but McCarthy's doubts highlight the lingering questions about the team's long-term future. McCarthy himself has been without a coaching role since leaving Manchester United, where he served as a first-team coach at the end of the 2023-2024 season. The South African legend has made no secret of his desire to eventually manage the national team, potentially fueling speculation about his own ambitions for Bafana Bafana job. With the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers approaching, Broos will need to build on the momentum he has achieved to silence his critics, including McCarthy, and further prove his suitability for the role. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.